welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold, what will happen for next week, your next week gold trading. So last week my gold trading weekly analysis, I have told that the price reached 1902 level, 1905 level it has reached. That is the accurate of gold trading analysis. So let's move the next week what will going on gold. So you can join with my Telegram, link is below. Accurate gold analysis with signal. So this is gold daily chart. You can see this trend line price has reacted 3 times now, and this is very important trend line with the technically analysis. So if the next week is the more volatile in the market is the because of Federal Reserve interest rate decision will be released next week. So next week, so this trend line will be broke and retest and continue to the upside, or it will go into the downside. That will happen on next week with the interest rate decision. So this trend line is very key technical analysis. So if you touch with this trend line 1936 level, if this break this trend line and you have a buy trade with the wait for the retest and it is the price continuation to the 1980 level. So wait for the retest, this price break with the trend line. That is the daily chart technically picture. So let's move the economic data what will going on next week. So I have moved to the Forex factory September 20th Wednesday. It is the more volatile economic data, economic event, federal funds rate. So Fed's funds rate 5.5% is the current rate, and the Fed forecast 5.5 to hold the post the rate team. That is the forecast. So I am going to the Fed Watch Tool website. That is the interesting things is there. So more technically traders not touch with this economic data. That is the reason for loss with the gold trading. So I am in the Fed Watch Tool website. So September FOMC meeting, what is the forecast? 98% is the market sentiment is interest rate post in 5.5%. So this is already sentiment to the market. So interest rate force, that is Fed going to the interest rate force in 5.5, not dollar huge sell off because of it is already sentiment to the market. So I have moved to the November FOMC meeting. That is the interesting things is that's 27% forecast with a 25 bps hike. That is last week that data is on 41%, it has reduced to 27%. So that is indicate is still rate not hike expected is Fed next November meeting is also. So Fed's hawkish is still continuing, but Fed Watch Tool indicate is still 25 bps interest rate hike is not expected in this year. That's the market sentiment. So dollar not get huge demand, reason of not interest rate hike expected with this website, Fed Watch Tool website. So that can be gold demand with the economic data. So I am expecting this trend line will be break to the upside. So next week's that the economic data not with the dollar demand next week. So sorry. So that is the daily chart. So I moved to the 4-hour chart. What is going on? This is the 4-hour chart. So that's I am seeing famous pattern, head and shoulder pattern. This is the pattern I am seeing. So I moved to the line chart for clear picture. So this is the pattern I am seeing. This is the left shoulder and this is the head, and right shoulder will be continued to the next week. So sorry. So this pattern will be break to the upside and retest and that's the upside. So you have a buy trade in here. So this head and shoulder pattern break to the upside and retest, this is the your buy trade. So again you have, so I move to the candlestick chart again. So you have again buy trade, this trend line break and retest and going to the upside. So again you have a buy trade in this the trend line retest area, 1930 area. So this is the two buy trades you have. Waits for head and shoulder pattern continuing and break to the upside and retest. That's the your one buy trade, 1927 area. So I am marking in the circle, and again wait to the trend line break and retest. Again you have a buy chance gold in next week, again 1930 area. So wait for the break this head and shoulder pattern in this, and wait for the trend line break this in this. That is the technically I am hoping. So next week price will continuing like this. So I am hoping another option, this head and shoulder pattern will be continuing to the inverse head and shoulder. This is a like sit, that's the left shoulder head and the right shoulder, and this is the I am hoping drop to the downside and retest and going to downside. So you have a sell trade in this area, wait for the retest, area, you have a sell trade. So see what is the break on upside or downside, wait for the retest, get the confirmation with the candlestick and smaller time frame confirmation. So I am seeing price is break to the upside or downside is will be happen in the next week, more volatile week with the interest rate decision Federal Reserve American Central Bank. So that is I am hoping two options. So I have told you the two buy options and one sell options in next week. So wait for the confirmation. So accurate signals with the my Telegram link you can join with. So thank you very much.